Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully all of you are doing great. Today I am going to show you one of the most powerful and modern Excel functions, XLOOKUP. In Excel, we often need to find data like student's grade, salary or score from a list table. Earlier we used VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, but it had many limitations. Now Excel gives us a better solution, that is XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is used to search a value in a range and return a matching value from another range. It is simple, flexible, and does not have limitations like VLOOKUP. It also works faster and reduces errors in your work. That's why professionals prefer XLOOKUP today. Here I have a list of students with their percentage. Now I want to find the grade based on percentage. So now I apply XLOOKUP formula. We log cells by using F4, so the formula always points to the same data even when we dragging the formula. Now Excel automatically gives the correct grade for each student instantly. No complicated formulas, no errors, just simple and powerful. It saves time and makes your work more accurate. That's why XLOOKUP is a must-know skill today. So that's how you can use XLOOKUP in Excel to make your work more faster and smarter. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you later. Allah Hafiz.